return. Here, if I pull up, so we still have math, right? But we're gonna take a quick break. We're gonna relax, all right? Who are you? Hello? Alright, just double checking that everything's working, you know. Okay, we're going to put this here. Boom. Alright. Alright, we'll start calculus in just a moment. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to finish Freddy in space. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to dilly-daddle on this game. Actually, hold on. I have a theory. Okay. We save some time. So we don't have to go back to the beginning. You're stupid. Oh, you're stupid. At 2030. Okay, shift is dash. I might use that more often. And here, we're going to take these guys out. Okay. Oh, whatever. Okay, we gotta go this way. Okay. I'm taking a lot of damage. Honestly, it does not matter. I played through this thing twice. I've beaten this twice already. So I'm getting really tired. As soon as we beat this, then I just need to level up my characters, and then we can go on. Of course, after I just want to beat Freddy in space, get it over with. Okay, let's see. Ooh, nice. You suck. Give. I hope you love this sound. You might be wondering, why are we going this way? There's a cupcake. Oh, actually, we need to go this way first, because we need our... what do you call it? We need the double jump. Shoot. Keep getting my buttons confused. That's why I gotta hold this down, otherwise I get it confused. Yeah. See? Okay, this one's a little more bearable in terms of, like, sound and whatnot. And I just got hit. Alright. You'll never find my hideout. I actually will, Scott. Because I have the power of friendship and easy speezy. Oops. Can you not fit in a one yap? Wow, okay. Alright. Okay, now instead of going all the way back, we can just go straight to, you see this mechanical section above me. Or, yeah, but we can just go straight to that. Shoot. Oh, whatever. Die. Okay. Now you might be wondering, why would you ever want to play this awesome game? What do you call it? Why would you ever want to play this awesome game? I keep pressing the wrong button. 3 times. Well, because to get 3 different animatronics, what you have to do, you have to beat this game once, right? Then you have to, so you have to beat it with all the cupcakes. That's what we're doing right now. Then you have to beat the game with 1 to 8 cupcakes collected. And then you have to beat the game with no cupcakes collected. I did the no cupcakes one first, actually. And it was easier than I thought it would be. It's okay, they don't do huge damage. About 10. We'll be fine. I'm just gonna try to get through as quick as we can. This is fine. Just use our super a few times. And there we go. We're finally done with all these stupid minigames. And we got purple guy. Oh, he actually might be better than... Because I put Bonnie in there because of the slasher. Hold on, you have fourth wall. You have neon wall, mega virus, alarm. How do we get Nightmare Mangle? Let me look that up. Hold on. Oh, really? Except now they have a small thing of lipstick. Sure. Okay, C rank, the lowest rank. So let's do that. Alright, so actually, one more mini game. But Bonnie, or not Bonnie, it was... Purple guy. Where's purple guy? Is he in FNAF 2? Yeah. I don't like you. Let's check out skins. I think this would be funny. All right. Ten seconds. Low-key, this is really cool. And we still got our goated team too. I should put one bubble breath on that one. Let's see. Let's put there. Okie dokie. Now we gotta go back to Foxy Fighters, which is up here. Yeah. Or okay, here we'll get to test out our capabilities. No issue there. And Scott Cawthon is so small. Say my name. Alright, Foxy Fighters. Okay, I think in order to do bad, I'm going to try to lose as much of my health as I can, and I'm also going to try not to shoot as many enemies. I need you guys to clutch, okay? I'm only going to shoot to defend myself. Actually, let me get my weapons first. Can we hurry us, guys? How self-aware? Cameron. 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 How self-aware is Scott Cawthon? Because you start with 150, right? Divide that by 5. You got 30 health. Like, so you can take 30 hits, basically. Shut up. Okay, now we're going to... Here. Okay, we're going to be a little careful. Alright. Hopefully this should get me the C rank. Why did Toy Chica have to survive? Okay, come on. No! I want C rank! What if I just do nothing? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We will finish at least one... How Beastars was made. Forgot I was watching that. Who the... That's not... Who is that? But here, I'm getting tired of Nintendo music. So, there's a website. Somewhere. That's like copyright-free music. Hold on. I don't think it's this one. I think it's this one. No, it's not. Okay, we'll just use this website for now. Okay. I hate Schumann. Let's do... Here. Schubert. Not that one. Do you have what I'm looking for? You don't. That's why I like the other website better. Hold on. I'm pretty sure. It's got to be this one. It's the blue logo. It's not... Do I got to look through my stuff? I have beef with Fesseline Studios, just so you know. There we go. Okay. Now let's do Schubert. We're going to do his symphony. Come on. Symphony 8. What happened? Where did your symphonies go? Okay, so the website just like went to crap, I guess. Fine, whatever. What do you have? Just play me some Beethoven. Okay, what if I just took this out and I just typed symphony? Your search is horrible. The worst search ever. This is actually awful. What is going on? Okay, look there. There's the one we were looking for. Symphony number 8. Okay. What was the issue we were having here? Okay. Let's see. Is there one that turns negative here? So this cannot be G. Let's check this. Becomes positive here. Becomes negative here. I think. Let's see. 2, 3, 1. All right, and then let's say this is. So if we think this is concavity, right? Concavity changes here. I think this is it. Okay. Also, if it's too loud, whatever. What the freak ever, man. Let's see here. Since concavity definitely does change, this cannot be, like, this cannot be G. But let's see here. Does concavity change here? No. Does concavity change here? Maybe. Does it change again here? Looks like it. My guess is 3, 1, 2, but let's verify. It's negative up until positive. Then it should be negative again. I think this is it. Okay. I don't know what I was having such trouble with the first time. Because I was really, like, freak, like, not having a good time with this one before. So that's why I stopped. If you let me look up my pieces properly, I could get... Okay, hold on. I think this is a better recording. In my opinion, of course. Okay, since this one, concavity never changes. Actually, this one's easy. Okay, to figure these out, just look at the degrees. This one's 3 degrees. Never mind. Actually, no, I'm pretty sure. This is 1. Oh, this is 2 degrees. 3, 3. Let's just double check. So let's say, does it change concavity right here? No. It changes from going negative to positive. I think it's 1, 2, 3. But let's double check. It changes concavity roughly here. And then it changes concavity. Should change concavity again down there. Maybe it does. Alright. Let's see. Concavity changes. I think it's 1, 3, 2, but let's double check. One, 2, 3, actually. Because take a look. So actually, so this is concave down the whole time, right? So actually, I do think it's this. There we go. Let's take our quiz. We're going to do a review. I'm going to stretch. Not leaving. Just stretching. I'm going to open my window. has an inflection point at C. Alright. That H is decreasing. H is negative. I got my nails cut recently and I'm not used to it because I had really long nails. Okay, let's see. Concavity changes here. So it might not be this one. Let's see. Let's say this is concavity changes here. None. Let's see. Concavity changes here. And then here. And then here. I think it's 2, 1, 3. Let's see. It's increasing, and then it stops increasing here, and it becomes negative. So it should start increasing here. It becomes negative again. It becomes positive. All right. Okay, so this is H. Has a relative minimum point. H crosses the axis. All right, let's see. What is also, if it's always positive, this means it's either always increasing or it's always upper concavity, which it isn't. So it's always increasing, but that's not. So this could be the original function. Changes concavity. Let's see. Probably not. Let's see. Okay, decreasing until it starts increasing, right? And then it starts decreasing here, then keeps decreasing. I think it's 3, 1, 2. Let's verify. It's concavity, concave up, right? Or I guess, let's see, if it's 2, then it should always be concave up, but it's not. It turns the concave down. So my guess this is actually 3, 2, 1. That's not an option. That's just, I guess, let's see. If this was 1, if 2, well then it would always be increasing, but then it decreases at some point. If it was this, let's see. It increases, or this would be decreasing actually, so it's not. Let's try 2. If it was, the only option is 3. So let's see, it's decreasing until it keeps increasing. Let's check concavity. So then concavity changes here, and then changes here. I think it's this one. Sweet. Alright, optimization. The open tub with a square is designed to hold 4 cubic feet of water. What is the minimum exterior surface? What is the minimum exterior surface area of the aquarium? What does that mean? Let's take a look at my notes. Ugh. I know there's a ton of Khan Academy videos, but I'm sure it's in here too. There we go. So you got a whole section on optimization right here. Let's see. Someone did my notes for me. Okay. After reading through my notes, I think I understand. I need to start drawing with this drawing tablet, otherwise I'm going to go crazy about only doing math, just like I did with AP Chem. No! I don't know why that part's so laggy. I need to switch this because I'm a lefty. Okay. So, you know the volume equals, what is it? Because it's a cube, right? So it's cubed. And we know 4 equals s cubed because this is the max. So we know s cube root of 4. And then what we're trying to minimize is the exterior surface area. So it's going to be 6s squared, which equals the area, right? So now we'll plug in our value. Take the derivative. You can move this over, so it's going to become 2 over 3. So it'll become 4. Or wait. That's fine, I'll do that later. Oh, it just says square base. Okay. See, it's so laggy. It's so weird. How do I get this to, like, not be laggy? Okay. I'm just gonna make a new one. Low key, if this gets annoying enough, I might just get a new, like, maybe I'll just program, like, a software that just draws, and it works fine. Okay, so our primary equation, right? So we're looking for the minimum of this, right? But first, what we know is our volume, so that's going to equal s squared h. And we know this equals 4. So our goal, we need to get rid of one of the variables. It'll be easiest to get rid of h. It's going to be h equals 4 over s squared, right? So now we're going to plug this in here. So this simplifies to... Okay, now what we can do is we can take the derivative. So it's just going to be negative 24 over s squared. Okay, now... we'll isolate... Oh, since this is a constant, it's going to be 0. An imaginary number. Hold the phone. This is not the surface area equation. I'm a fool. It's going to be S squared. Oh, it's open top plus 4SH. And the music stopped, so hold on, let me fix that. Can we not just do the same ones over and over again? Here. Literally anything else will be more interesting. Sure, schizo. Ba-dum. What the freak is this? There we go. All right, now I'll take the derivative. We can take it in terms of S. Okay, what we'll do is we'll multiply, or let's isolate the variables first. Okay, we'll multiply this over, we'll take that down. So it's going to be S cubed equals 8. So S equals 2, right? So then now, but we have to verify, right? Is it really the minimum? So if we plug in, okay, so, okay, let's solve for height. Fine. Height would be 1, right? So let's see. If it's 0, then it's going to be nothing. Okay, if it's 1, if S equals 1, oh, it can't be 0 yet. So if S equals 1, then this is going to be 16, so it's positive, right? Now if S equals 3, that's going to be 12, 48 over 9 plus 9. Whatever, we're just going to say it's 2, all right? That'll make our lives easier. So it's going to be 4 plus 4 times 2, which equals 4 plus 8 equals 12. Not doing the FRQs, I don't think it matters that much. The maximum vertical distance. Let's see. So we know cosine 0 equals 1. So let's do 2 cosine x minus sine 2x. Let's do that. Equals our function. Let's take the derivative of that function. don't remember doing this ever. Is this like new curriculum? Let's check the homework. Yeah, don't say in my homework. So short answer is I have no idea. Okay. Is this an angle identity of some sorts? No, because then they have to be squared. I don't know. Okay, maybe we'll get a higher quality recording. Let's see, what do you got, Brahms? For piano. Come on. Okay. Nice. We need to isolate X somehow. Let's see. We got a double angle identity. Did not mean to do that. Maybe we can turn that. Don't know what that would do. I'm not sure. I don't know. Okay. Right. Ouch. Oh, something on my knee. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I'm just guessing. I wonder if these are new subjects. I don't friggin' know, yo. What? This is called cooking. As in, I don't know what the frick I'm doing. Okay, you can just use your calculator for this one. Use your graphing calculator. Alright, now we're going to do first movement of his Fourth Symphony. Alright, it was a graphing calculator, it was easy. Alright, unit test. That can be free. down, and it's concave down. Ah. This sucks. I'm gonna have to do this again. Friggin' math. I hate math. I hate this, dude. I hate math. Math is becoming my #1 op. Oh, I have to do 3 things over again. Hold on. This is really friggin' annoying. Oh my freaking... I hate math. Math sucks. I should make things more animated. That would be cool, wouldn't it? Okay. Oh my god. Math sucks. I hate math. Just want to play FNAF World. How in the world did I get 150 kills? That doesn't make any sense. Math is stupid. Ah, stupid. Unit 10 bad. That's just what it is. Okay, I don't like third movement of that one, so we're not doing third movement. Not that one. I think this is Brahms's piano concerto. Ugh. All right, we're locking in. I didn't even sing them the right notes. What's this one? Way to go, Brahms. Freaking tired, yo. Oh, I hate that problem. Thank God. Is that a bug bite on my leg? That's freaking annoying, yo. Oh, I can figure this out actually. This is what we call math is stupid. Okay. We're... No, freak... Oh my god, it's been off the whole time. Oh. Okay. Well, I want to die. Let's look how long integral calculus is. So we will resume this later, I guess. Whatever. Do it tomorrow. Sure.